Thank you so much. Thanks and my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for staying back and holding a fort tight. Thank you so much. I'll not take much time and I'll not talk about AI for now. I'll talk about human intelligence first and then I'll move to AI. So here we are talking about a lot of AI. The AI wave is on. Everybody is talking about AI. So everybody wants to work on AI. While sailing in that wave, everybody has solutions, and in that we are getting in silos. What we are trying to solve here is like, how do we bring everybody together? And how can we optimize resources? How can we work together to solve a lot of problems? Hence, the presentation says, one city, one brain. And before I go there, I want to introduce you to the very beautiful model which an human intelligence brought into play 20 years back in Hyderabad. This is the Cyberabad Security Council. The Security Council is world's only organization that works with law enforcement agency and industry. So when Hyderabad was developing as a city of IT, how law enforcement and IT industry came together to secure that place, to make that place an economic zone, and everybody worked jointly, developed the city, and this is one example how it is sustaining for last 20 years. This organization is headed by the Commissioner of Police of Cyberabad. Any commissioner who comes, he heads it. The council has people from the industry and police. They jointly sit and create solutions of safety security. The 6 mandates that you see, women's safety, child and youth, traffic, cybersecurity, physical, anything that you talk about cybersecurity or any component of security is being solved by the society. And hence, as we say that safety security is a hidden engine for economic growth. So that is being done there. And through this society, we have derived a solution. And how these three, I'll give an example. One junction has 4 cameras. One camera is for municipal corporation, the other camera is of traffic police, the third camera can be of waterworks, and the 4th camera can be of any other department. The 4 departments are spending same amount of money, effort, AI, power, bandwidth to see the same road. The municipal may be interested in a garbage truck going, the police may be interested to see a traffic challan happening, while the waterworks may be interested to see the water tankers going. What we are trying to do here is, we are trying to club everything together. One camera, 75% of the cost optimization happens there. 1 feet, everybody can use it the way they want to use it and solve the problems. So this is how the layering happens. So you see all the departments, so one camera can solve all the problems. How we are doing it, for example, somebody was talking about in the day that for a human being, it is not possible to see so many cameras. Every city in India has cameras, but we don't have a brain to operate. It is impossible for a human eye to see thousands of cameras. So we need an AI. We need an AI to alert when there is a situation. So the screen that pops up should be a screen where an incident or an accident is happening, where a garbage bin is being filled up. And we don't want citizens to call the municipal or any call centers. We want systems to take care of it. If a waste bin is being filled, the AI should alert the municipal corporation that please go and pick it up. If somebody has put a debris somewhere, the camera should detect it and inform the municipal corporation or the concerned department, please take action. We don't want citizens to call and alert people to do their duties they are supposed to do themselves. So we want to eliminate that element. And how we are doing it, if you see, this is all the dots that you see are the cameras. So we have mapped the cameras of the city, and if you click on one of the dot, you will see that area. So this is one beautiful way that AI has done is like, you don't have to type the name of the camera. You just have to go to the map, click the dot, and you see that live footage there. Next, what you're seeing, you see is like, the same camera is giving you a lot of analytics. It is telling you the congestion. It is the real mathematical formula of calculating congestion. It is watching the occupancy of the road, the count of the vehicle, and telling you, okay, there's a congestion or there is no congestion. And it is also doing a vehicle make model classification, and if there's a violation, it is telling traffic police there's a violation also. And you can see live, you can see this is our own map. This is not a Google map. The map is created by AI themselves. We don't use Google or anything, so the data is secured within the system. So you see how it is moving. You can see the dots moving, and it's calculating that way. This is one example how it detects garbage. Can you see the garbage being detected? Those two green that you see are actually somebody has burned something and there's ashes there. It is actually mapping all those things and telling. And these dots that you see are different places in the city where either there's a debris, there's a garbage lying, somebody has not picked up, or there's a water leakage happening. And this is all on the map. People just need to go and action it. So this is the conclusion that every Indian city has already built the camera network. The brain is what is missing. AI and convergence. So it is not the AI that only has to solve. We all need to come together. All the departments have to work together. Through that, we can optimize the cost to very minimal. The same feed, the same servers, the same AI can work and give you a lot of information. Every department need not to build their own solutions. So this is the solution of the hour. I know I have very less time. My time is up. So any questions if you may have, I am here. I can answer and I can discuss more in detail. Thank you so much.